What's up guys, welcome back. Today we are playing The Walking Dead Saints and Sinners again. Okay, so I have to travel to the Shallows. Let's go. Okay. Oh, what's this? Ooh. Box of stuff. Ooh, we've got materials. Zombie there. Select location icon on the map to travel. So, what do you do? Shadows. So we're gonna go to this new mansion. Search the new mansion for a microphone. Oh, person.
Please,
Hello.
I need your help. My husband, he's turned.
Okay.
He begged me not to let it happen, but I just couldn't pull the trigger. He was all I had left, but I failed him. I am so ashamed. Would you be willing to help me out? I just can't bring myself to do it. I need someone else to end this nightmare.
I will put him to rest.
You will? Thank you. That is so kind. Here, take this key. I locked Reuben in the room. Second floor of the Blue Mansion, just up the street.
Bye-bye.
I noticed your watch. Looks like you've got the alarm in sync with the chiming bells that rile up the walkers every day. Smart.
So cool.
Don't.
I'm ready to listen.
You've returned. Thank you. I noticed your watch. Looks like you've got the alarm in sync with the chiming bells that rile up the walkers every day. Smart. You don't want to be caught out in the open when this place is overrun by the dead. Oh, and one last request.
What is it?
Reuben's wedding band. If you could retrieve it, it would mean so much to me. At least I could carry one small token with me. From my children, I have nothing. They're just gone. I never even got to say goodbye.
Bye-bye. Loot. Nice. Just broken. Too much loot on the ground. More loot. Let's go. Salt. Wow. Too big. Why is there so much zombies? Honestly. Nice. So I gotta kill that person's husband. Use grab to climb certain environmental object. Oh, so I can climb it. Oh, it takes up all of my stamina. Shit. That's where I have to go. Attic. Okay. Where's the attic? Where's the attic? Let's go, we got an axe. Nice. Got another axe. Got 2 axes. Oh, wait. Now, where's the attic? That is the question. Ooh, what's this? Why? What else is there? Just food. Where's the attic? Where's the attic? Oh, I think this is the attic. Yes, this is the attic. Okay, let's go. So, this bit. What's this?
My dearest Korean, I lied to you. I am sorry. I had to spare you. A lost hope. Our children died by my hand. I had to set them free to protect them from a fate worse than death. I know you will never be able to forgive me, but maybe one day you will understand that I had no choice. They did not suffer. Take comfort in that, my love. Reuben.
Now we gotta... Okay, we got all the stuff, so now we just gotta return the ring. Go, let's get out of here. God damn, why is there 2 zombies? Where did we come from? Was it here? Yeah, it was here. Okay. Why is there 3 zombies? That's outrageous. That is actually outrageous. Zombies coming up here. Where'd my axe go? Where'd my axe go? Actually, where'd my axe go? Damn it. Why is my axe underneath the ground? Okay, so I'm gonna return the ring now. Zombie. Can I decapitate them? Let me try. Oh my god, I get that. Oh my god, that's so... Bro, that's so cool. Just decapitate them. So cool. Hello. Why is there so many zombies up here? Where is... Oh, she's there. Hello.
Is it?
Here we go.
I recovered the ring.
Thank you. This means the world to me. The only reminder of life before all of this. Reuben was a good husband and an amazing father.
Hold on to the good memories. They will keep you sane.
I will. Here's the code to the safe as promised.
Oh,
I hope that whatever's inside will prove useful. Safe journey.
Nice. Bye-bye.
Ow! Oh! Goddamn psycho.
How dare you? Ooh, nice spin. Ooh. Okay, let's go back. Bye bye. Let's go. Psycho. What am I having? Oh, wait, I can put them right here. Nope. Oh, he's on me head up.
Hello? Hello? Waterfall.
Waterfall.
What'd you just say?
Waterfall.
That's not possible. Who is this?
Who are you?
Nope. Not falling for that. You alone?
I'm alone.
That's a lie.
Fuck you.
Getting testy? Good. Now we're getting somewhere. If you're straight with me, our conversation continues. And believe me, I'm someone you want on your side. I know things. Things you're not gonna get from any other source. I need to know, though, that you're above board. We both want answers, but mine come first. Okay. I believe you're alone. And I'm pretty sure I know who you are. What I'm most curious about is how you found this station and why you said waterfall.
I came across a journal. Belonged to a soldier. This frequency, Waterfall, New Orleans, written in it.
Does anyone else know about it?
Just me.
Good. Let's keep it that way. Okay. I got what I need for now. I know you're telling the truth. Just remember, I've got ears everywhere. I hear it all, from every angle, okay? Nothing gets past me.
I get it.
Your turn. Keep it brief. I got shit to do.
I came to NOLA to meet up with an old-timer named Henri. Speaking to you through his radio. He wound up dead, along with a bunch of other folks.
No, look, I don't know anything about a dead old man.
The old man had a name, and it was Henri. And it seems like Henri was trying to track you down. There must have been a reason, right?
I'm telling you, I don't know anything about what's going on up there. There's no reason to track me down.
What do you mean by up there? If you're not up here with the rest of us, where are you?
That's, That's classified. You don't have clearance. In fact, I don't even know why I'm talking to you right now. What the fuck was that? They coming for you? Shit.
There's something going on over here. Hold on just a minute.
Fuck, shit. No, I should never have. No. No, this ends now. Right fucking now.
Let's go. More skulls. More skulls. Why do two zombies in each other? Oh. There's something over there. More medicine. Oh. There's something. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, thank you. Yeah. Investigate the coffin.
Henri, I found 2 more exiles wandering around the northwest corridor today. Was able to get them to safety, get them supplies for a few days. They said it's getting ruthless on the other side of the tower wall. More people exiled every week. We are making a difference out here. But if this pace keeps up, I just don't know. We're going to need more help, more intel to stay one step ahead of the bastards. The mud-slinging posters with my face plastered on them are not helping the situation. Umbra rips them down whenever she sees one, but they are everywhere, as I'm sure you've noticed. I know you want to simplify our system for the tower cache raids, but I need to keep to the shadows. The Sinclair casket and the lantern is working, so we might as well stick with it. Lantern on when there's something for you, off when there's something for me. This way, I can keep my distance, see what's up until I know it's clear. As usual, our resident Picasso has provided a sketch to guide you to the next tower cache. I know I'm biased, but the kid's got ability, right? Maybe you can sit for a portrait one day. Umbra would love that. Same deal with the cache. Supplies are yours. The intel you drop off to me. Be safe. May.
That's gonna be the end of this video, guys. Please, if you can, like and subscribe. Bye bye.